Guys, I think this thing's gonna be pretty easy to tear apart, I must say. So far, that front was easier than the last golf cart, but somebody did some of the work for me. They had a few bolts already taken out. Guys, I want to thank you guys for stopping in and watching this video. We definitely have a long road ahead of us with this build, but it's gonna turn out sick. And guys, I'm super impressed with all the comments and all the suggestions that came on the last video. And I want to say I'm sorry, I'm kind of slacking on videos here. I've been super busy selling clutch kits for CF Moto. So if you need a clutch kit for your CF Moto, please get with me on Facebook at R.N.G or Stephen Hayes, STEPHENHAYES 1988 at gmail.com. Links are in the video description. Let's see what it takes to get this thing flipped open. There's got to be a lever somewhere. Oh, right there. Oh my gosh. Now you can see what I'm seeing. Oh man. What is this? Darn, I thought we was gonna get lucky and get part of the clutch. But no, we got half the woods in here. Sheesh. Let's see if we can get these 10mm bolts out and get this off of here. These look like, these cables look like we could probably reuse them. So I'm going to try and save them. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut these and try and save those cables. See if we can get these nuts off, or loosened up anyway. Just get them cables out of there, because these cables look in good shape yet. So we may need to use them for something. So I'm going to keep them. Maybe shifter linkage or something like that. We'll save them and see if we need them. They go in that mess somewhere. There we go, guys. She's coming along very nicely, and it looks like that rear diff, I'm going to be able to weld a sprocket onto it. Actually, might even look into getting the clutch or whatever that goes on it. And it looks like it's got neutral, forward, and reverse. That's what it looks like. So we'll be digging in there and finding out. She seems to be in good shape. That must be neutral, right? That's neutral. So you must pull this and it goes to reverse. I don't know what that does. If any of you guys know, let me know. Because it doesn't seem to do nothing. I don't know what it does. Oh, so this is reverse. Okay, so this is reverse. All right. Yep. Okay. So that's reverse. What does this do? What does this do? Does it do anything? Does it do anything at all? Does it? I don't know. I need to get these leaves cleaned up out of here. But I'd like to get the rest of this maybe tore down and off of here first. Because I'm mainly just after this frame. I just want this frame. This floor has probably got to go. There's bugs and who knows what in here. So that makes getting an engine for it is pretty easy. I think this is going to go better than I thought. So guys, we got it all pretty much gutted. We do know that we got to re-bolt down the rear end, and we got to take off these little plastic panels. We want to take off the bumper. We want to take out that side stuff. We want to take out those rubber mats. And what it looks like to me is I'm just going to be able to use this chassis, mount the engine down in here, and run a chain directly to the transmission, and I might do a little bit longer of a shock to give it just a little bit of a lift, because we got to have room to clear those tires. But what we want to do is get it up in the air on some blocks so we can kind of assess the situation a little better. Not sure how I'm going to accomplish that, but we'll find something. We'll do something. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. It looks like they gave us a pretty nice beefy chassis to do what we want to do with it. I don't think we're gonna have to beef it up too much, actually, which is shocking to me. The only thing is, I think we're gonna have to cut this stuff off, because they did drill through some stuff, and I'm thinking about putting a bed on it anyway, but we'll probably just cut those bars off and do something back here so they have a bed. I want to try and maybe lengthen it a little bit, just a little bit back here to fit those tires, and also a lift kit, of course. That's what we want to do, a lift kit. So thanks for watching. Make sure you tune in the next video. If you haven't yet, leave me a like, share, and a subscribe, and a comment down below of what you think about this. Keep the ideas coming, guys, because it's really going to help me put this thing together. I know pretty much what I want, but you guys always have some good ideas. So leave me a comment down below and let me know. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.